So I'm Ben, product manager and business analyst. One aha moment that I've had from the High Potential Talent Summit has been to only do the job that only you can do. Working in a dual function role, if there's other people who are part of the team can do a certain aspect of that role, allow them to do so, trust them to do so, and allow you to focus on other areas of the business where only you can look after to make that impact and change. The High Potential Talent Summit has challenged me to think different about my role. Was one key aspect is leaders bring the weather. So you're setting the tone for the team, you're leading by example, you've got to have that positive energy just to drive the team forward and ensure you're making the goals across the team. One piece of advice from the High Potential Talent Summit that I'm excited to take back to the team is just to have more open, honest conversations and have that 360 feedback as part and parcel of my leadership role.